Hi there and welcome to syncX, Stock Sync. You can update or add cost to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select cost per item from the store product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. For the cost smart settings, you can set the condition to markup or markdown products cost. For example, to mark up the price by 50%, set rules as any price multiplied by 1.5. It will multiply all the prices by 1.5. The condition supports complex conditions for more use cases. Next is the cost delimiter that can be set accordingly. Choose from comma or decimal or leave it as auto. Next is the cost round, which is used to standardize the product's price. By default, the option would be the same as the price field. The currency converter is for converting the cost from feed to store. For example, if the supplier feed's currency is CAD, and the store currency is USD, enable the currency converter and enter the currency in the fields. If you would like to set the store value to blank when the feed value is blank, you need to enable this option. You can also skip updates when the feed value is blank. Note that a value of 0 is not considered blank. Lastly, don't update the cost when the option excludes certain products from updating the cost using this option. It can be excluded by vendor, product type, and product tags. For example, don't update cost when vendor is Adabas. All product cost of vendor Adabas will not be updated. Once you are ready, click on Next, and all changes will be saved.